So when the market is going straight up or straight down, those are the most difficult days to trade because you always feel like you're chasing. And then as a scalper, I hate doing that. So basically using this technique in this video, I'm going to show you what I use to enter trades with the direction of the trend on those big trending days. So it's very different from my traditional strategy, scalping the volatility on a range day, but on the trending day, I have to kind of be more careful and not to step in front of the train, especially with this Tick Tick Direct account where I could only lose $500 in a day. So today, the best trade that I had, the best entry was right here. And you guys could see how I found that, right? I had this channel, but how did I draw this channel? And there's another trade setting up here, I think. It's consolidating, and I'm actually
Order
going to go
submitted.
long here because
Order filled.
I think it's going to trap these shorts because, again, it's a trending day. And with the trending day, shorts are, still piling in. And that's something what I do when it's a range day. But today, I think they're catching the shorts too much, and eventually the market's gonna go a little bit higher. But how did I find this entry here? You guys could see the entry there. So I used what's called a reverse channel. So instead of drawing just the regular channel and the support resistance, basically when we didn't have the pullback yet, what I did was I took the tool, and this tool is on every single platform basically, and I just drew the top. So you have the resistance, you mark up some points, and then you go from the bottom of the start of that channel, and then you look for a pullback, and you guys could see that it came perfectly there. So I took it a little early because this wick came in and then came back up. So I took it. And I thought I was going to get stopped out. But if I would have gotten stopped out, I would have been ready to get back in right away anyway. And unfortunately, I scalped it for a few points. I think I got like 6 points on it. So not a big trade, but not a bad trade either. And right now I'm in another trade. But let's see if there's actually a channel there. I don't think there is. But there could be. No, there isn't. There's no channel available yet. But that's basically what I use to find like the bigger trending days. And let's see what this trade does here. I am with Tick Tick Direct, so I can only lose $500 in a day. I am up around 250 on the day, and I give this couple seconds here. It's going. But see, as a scalper, I already want to take the profit because that's already
Order submitted.
$100. Look,
Order
and I am up
filled.
360 on the day. Yes, this could go higher, but at the same time, I don't really care that much because these days don't happen that often. If these days happen all the time, then yes, I would like to hold profit a little bit longer. But I know that if it's on a big ranging day and I try to hold for profit too long, I will let that $100, $200 of profit get erased, and I will lose on that trade, and it just spirals down. Versus scalping, I was able to take out 2 withdrawals with Tick Tick Direct. I just got my second withdrawal today. I already took it out of my deal account, and it's really, really, really cool to be able to do that with a small account. Only 25K account, but since you could get paid every time you go over $250, so like today I am up 360, right? And I just got the pay this morning. That means I could take out this 360 today at the end of the closing day. The only thing is that you will be down. Let's say Monday I won't be able to trade. I'll be able to trade on Tuesday, but Monday I won't be able to trade. So like I'm not gonna take this money out. I am going to trade on Monday, Tuesday, see how I do, and then take out a bigger payroll. But basically, show you guys that I did receive my payment here. Where is it? It goes. So this morning at 7 a.m. Today is Friday, and on Wednesday night, I requested a withdrawal. So I didn't get to trade on Thursday, and this morning I was able to trade. So I did start the day in red because I did go counter trend initially, and I started the day negative 200. And again, I can only lose 500 on this account, so I have to be careful. And at that point, next trade, if I would have lost, I would have been done for the day. But luckily, that next trade worked out, and then I was able to build a cushion, and I am up 360 on the day, which is not a big day. I've had $1,000 days on this account. Because now I have $360 cushion, so that means I could lose now $860 on the day before I have to stop trading. So now, if I saw a good opportunity, now I could take 2 contracts, but the market is moving pretty slow for me. Like I like the faster movement, so I'm gonna call it. It's 11:15 a.m. here, and it's Friday, so might as well call it a all green week. I'm not even sure what I made on the week because I traded so many accounts. I did pass 3 more evaluations with Apex. Those will go live on Wednesday next week. So I did 350K evaluations using 2 on Tradeovate and 1 on NinjaTrader or Rithmic. And that one I might trade with Polarity ATI. But those are going live on Wednesday. And what that means is I will not be able to take a withdrawal with that. So if everything goes perfect with Apex, right? So I passed the evaluations like 2 days ago, and now I'm just making the days up, the remaining days. And then when I start trading it, I have to trade it for 10 days before I could request a withdrawal. And I'm already gonna miss that deadline. So I will not be able to take out money till June 5th, or request the payout till June 5th, and then I'll get the money on June 15th. And today is May 5th. And I started the account on the 1st, I believe, or something like that. Today's day number 5. So yeah, on Monday this week. So that just shows you how long you have to be profitable and trading well, and not get caught in the bad trade and the trailing drawdown, all that stuff to get paid. So yes, it's great that I only paid $18 for those accounts, but at the same time, you know, with Tick Direct or with Tick, and there's a couple other firms that pay out right away, it makes a huge difference in my opinion. But the fact that I don't have to have any minimum days between trading days, there's no like a big minimum withdrawal. I mean, like I said, I could take out the 360 that I made today right now, obviously after the market close, and I'll get it on Tuesday morning, and then I'll already be up over $1,000 on withdrawals on this account. I already took out 530 and $255, so that totals for $855 on this account in just 1 week, which is quite amazing. So perfect example on this trade. Yes, it looked good, but look at that. So if I didn't take this money, and I would have lost in that trade. I mean, that would have been a huge difference in the P&L, right, on the day. So scalping is not a bad thing. If it's not for you, it's not for you. If you like big wins and small losses, that's fine. I like to scalp, and that goes back to trading small caps and stocks, and just how it works for me. It's quick, $100, $200. I'm never gonna have like a huge day unless I scalp and the market's very volatile and I'm able to use multiple contracts. But for now, I just use 1 contract here, and I'm happy with that. And we'll continue growing it. And then again, once we have the Apex accounts, those we could use more contracts hopefully and get a withdrawal in June for that. But anyway, hope you guys had a good week. Any comments, questions about Tick Direct, let me know. There's a link to my Discord as well. And just wanted to show you guys kind of what I look for in the trending days. In the choppy days, there's a different strategy that I use. It's not so much strategy, it's more so the style of trading that I use, using traps and just getting in the opposite direction of the herd, or where people think everything's going. I'll get in the opposite direction. This is a perfect example here at the open, where the market is basically looking to pull back and tank, and then everyone gets caught. I would buy this long here and then sell it really quickly. So that's like, I missed the open say, but yeah, that's how it works. And hope you guys again had a good week, and I hope to make some more videos for you guys in the next coming weeks, especially with Polarity ATI. I know people have been asking for that, so one of the Apex accounts I'll dedicate to Polarity ATI. All right, have a good one, guys, and be good.